sini memang selalu orang kurang ke bang?
Hari weekend.
Overall, I feel this place is very good because it's free. Then, good, super good. I don't know. In 2000 also, Appa had all this. Malaysian first proton car. Then got in Hot Wheels some more. Time TV big, people all small. Now people all big, TV small. We are at Balai Seni Negara. Yes, yeah. Okay, come, let's go. Let's go, let's go. Guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Kadi lambat ya. Balai Seni Negara is National Art Gallery. Let's see what's inside there. Yes, yeah, coming, yeah. Son is so excited. Okay, they open Monday to Friday, 9 morning until 5 p.m. Oh. Patu. Alaga tuke. They don't have a lift here, so we have to use this one. They say just okay. Welcome, selamat datang. Nal Barawi. These are the things that you cannot go inside. Selfie pot you cannot go. Okay, looks like got a lot of things here. All the phone brands got their pictures here. From Oppo by Canon users. So the sad part is iPhone doesn't have any. Apple not here. You think you put all the retro people photographs. Real retro. So probably retro Chinese people, and this is Indian. And this is a Malay guy. Okay, it looks good. Darshindran, you cannot step on it. Please do not touch. You cannot go. That one is Proton Saga. Malaysian first car.
Red car.
Malaysian first Proton car. Then got in Hot Wheels some more.
She Hornbill.
This place is like a time travel to 1980s, 70s, and 90s, of course. What is this, Agashendran? You know what is this?
TV.
Our TV like this or not?
No.
Hmm? Our TV all very slim, right?
They're very short rectangle.
Very big, very slim. See, last time TV big, people all small. Now people all big, TV small. Yeah, I don't think so. This magazine is anymore there. All these are magazines from 1980s, 70s, like that. There, Madala. TV. Even before I born. I don't know. I don't know what's all this. Okay. All the hard rock guys. Appa also had that, yeah, last time. I don't know. In 2000 also Appa had all this. But the hair only not like that.
You baby time, your body like this.
Yes, my baby time Appa mudi like that only.
What?
You know what is this?
Don't know.
This is cassettes.
That's it.
You know what is a cassette? To listen songs. This is Gallery Tun Razak. Let's see what they have inside. Oh. Okay. Dinding Portrait Kanta by Jeffrey Lee. Looks good. This whole place looks very artistic. Very nice. This is a free place, free entrance only. Can save my pocket some. Raffles Hotel. Oh, Singapore. Sorry bro, never been to Singapore. Hi.
Small chair.
I definitely no idea what is that, but it looks like something very artistic. Let's see what's that. Where I come from. Seriously, no idea what is this, but this looks more like a chicken. Some kind of flags, probably in the 1950s, 60s.
Yeah, last time the develop phone la irukade. Appa anga enna seivanga the children?
Okay. They got some very nice arts there. This is a wild bull. These art really looks good, super good. I want to see who's the artist. So nice. Looks very professional. Ah. Sylvia Go from Penang. All these are by Sylvia Go. Cat Mia atas canvas. Oil on canvas. All these are scriptures from Sarawak. Okay, quite a insightful trip. If you guys see this correctly, it's actually a man, a lady, and two kids, a girl and a boy. Can you guys figure it out? See properly. It's made up of all these metals. Very unique. Very nice. It's in Balai Seni Negara, National Art Gallery. Yes. This drawing is definitely nostalgic for Malaysians. Looks so good. No idea if it's still there. Kedai Kopi Sungai Jarum.
Hey.
So this is a laundry. Hmm. Darshindran cannot do all that. This is an elephant. Can you look at it? Elephant.
Icon and bushes. Smile you, John. Stand for that.
Some sort of old houses type. Darshindran, kannadi adu. Careful. That's a mirror. See, it's a mirror. Nice, huh? Okay. We are going for AI holo box photo booth. Let's see how it works. Something like that. Then you can scan with your QR and get the photo. Satu orang saja pada satu masa. Okay. Okay, wait. Okay, like this. One more. Another. Ini tadi udah apa? Ini kamera ni. Wait, you cannot touch.
Tapi trend ni kan ada dia. Wrong.
Minum apa ni?
Never go one more.
Ini one more. Oh, good people.
Say hi.
Yes.
Iya you.
Take one more. Okay, they don't have a lift, but they have this place to use your stroller, so not bad lah. So you just managed to find it up. Overall, I feel this place is very good because it's free. Then parking also you don't have to pay. Then you can spend time, you learn a lot of new things. Then my family also, I think they enjoyed, but they are the one first to get back Or maybe they never enjoy actually. I'm not sure, but I did. Now we want to go get some ice cream. Let's see if the ice cream is good or not. That's the only thing that we're going to pay actually. Then they got a coffee side there. Then ice cream. That's it.
What's that?
Green.
Eh, tak ambil.
Ambil, what are you doing?
Strawberry.
Strawberry,
Ada apa flavor?
coklat, vanilla, strawberry, keladi, jagung, campur.
Can mix saya, can mix. Kalau full rainbow.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Dia semua nyampur.
I pun dah dua lah campur.
Ah, you got ice cream here.
Campur. Rainbow.
Ni rainbow kena.
Okay.
Cik tekan takut jatuh.
Okay, Ayah, hold faster.
Thank
Properly,
you.
properly.
Nice. You like?
Adik boleh ke pakai skrim ni?
Adik tak boleh lah.
Adik tengok saja.
Adik tengok saja.
Nanti dia dah besar sikit, dia mesti mintanya.
Ya, mesti ya.
Anak saya dulu kecil, dia tengok sekarang dah pandai, dia tengok, dia bagi
Dia dah
kon tak
besar
mau.
nanti,
Dia dah bijak dah.
Nak
Okay, saya ambil
4
pula.
kilo
Saya
tam,
sip. Kiri. Pay ni dia.
Dua je
Nak lagi satu.
Lagi satu.
Ah, okay lah, for me tu lah.
One more
Lubang.
Okay lah, not bad.
Dia tengok dia. Kalau bagi sudu kat, bagi dia makan kat.
Berapa bang?
RM9 je. Kalau budak-budak.
Sini memang selalu orang kurang ke bang?
Hari weekend ni okey. Kalau hari biasa memang tak ada orang.
Oh.
Dia pun pelancong daripada luar, dia datang belah. Hari biasa orang kita
Pelancong biasa dia orang bawa bas lah.
bawa bas.
Bawa bas.
Bas dia masuk dalam, jalan kaki, Taiwan, China kan. Masuk, keluar. Sebab dia ada package kan. Datang-datang makan sudah siap.
Tu bas dah sampai.
Ni semua daripada luar banyak ni. China, Taiwan.
Okay, eat.
Parking memang selalu percuma lah.
Pakai percuma. Masuk dalam, tengok apa dah masuk dah.
Sekarang
dah.
masuk dah. Saya dah habis semua. Baru keluar.
Dia dah. Air kalau buat anak saya memang penat dia kejar je. Dia pusing atas kan.
Kau abang selalu ada kat sini lah.
Hari weekend, selain. Kalau hari biasa kat sekolah anak.
Ah.
Saya orang Gombak.
Orang Gombak.
Jadi guys, foreigner tak kasih masuk sini je. Dia kasih orang kita je.
Okay. Follow their social media here. Done.